Before the floodgate is assembled, loosen all the compression screws on the side post by turning them counterclockwise until they are completely loose. Take out the screwdriver from the toolbox and remove the dust-proof screws of the ground screws for the central post. Use hex screws to slightly secure the anchor of central post to the ground, but don't tighten it completely yet. Secure the anchor of the diagonal support beam with hex screws. Secure the other end of the diagonal support beam to the plate on the central post, using a hex bolt and hex screw. Open the T-shaped compression device at the top of the side post and central post. One side of the gate panel has a protruding water cutting line. The other side of the gate panel is flat. When installing the gate panels, please ensure the flat side faces the rubber strip inside the side post. The bottom gate panel is equipped with thick rubber sealing strip. Install gate panels in the order indicated on the stickers. On both sides of each central post, first, install half the number of gate panels. Secure the anchor of central post and diagonal support beam with a hex wrench, making sure to tighten each screws gradually in stages. Install the remaining gate panels in the order indicated on the stickers. Remove the dust-proof screws of the ground screws for the support post using screwdriver. Secure the anchor of the support post to the ground using a hex wrench and screws. Secure the anchor of the diagonal support beam using a hex wrench and screws. Secure the other end of the diagonal support beam to the plate on the support post using a hex bolt and hex screw. Turn the T-shaped compression device at the top of the support post and central post clockwise to its tightest position. Put the T-shaped compression devices at the top of the side posts and center posts back into place and slightly tighten them by turning the T-screws clockwise. Tighten the compression screws on the side post and central post clockwise. Each individual compression screw should not be tightened to the fullness all at once, they must be tightened gradually, in stages. Tighten the compression screws on the side post and central post clockwise. Complete assembly, and double-check that all compression screws are indeed fully tightened. The floodgate assembly is complete.